Let's talk about push-ups. Did you know that doing push-ups not only works your chest muscles but also your shoulders, abdomen, and even legs? Welcome to Healthy Fit Guide. Today we will show you the result of a powerful exercise when performed every day for a month. Today we will focus on the effects of doing 50 push-ups every morning. How will your body react after a month? We will provide a summary for you at the end of the video. We will show you what happens when we do 50 push-ups every morning, how the muscles react, and their effects on the cardiovascular system. The effects on the body. Doing 50 push-ups every day for a month will develop your chest muscles, that's a fact. Although it may seem simple, performing this task requires some preparation. If you are not used to doing push-ups or are sedentary, you will need to take breaks until you reach this number, and muscle soreness may occur in the following days due to muscle recovery. During the first month, it is already possible to master the movement and reduce post-push-up discomfort, and the execution will also be faster. As a result, there will be an increase in size in the shoulders, chest, and triceps. This will be more visible in leaner individuals. When your body adapts to the exercise, you will start to do the 50 push-ups quickly, and you may even feel that there are no more results. But it is precisely at this point that the best benefits are consolidated. The human body does not respond positively to strenuous physical activities. To truly change your body, your muscles and structure need to understand that being strong or lean is essential for your well-being. Once you adapt to the process, the muscles in your shoulders, chest, and triceps, as well as the entire strength and structure, will gain density, and your body will become more efficient in performing not only push-ups but also other activities. How do push-ups affect the heart? Push-ups require extra work from the heart. The organ not only needs to pump blood to the muscles involved in push-ups but also to the abdomen and legs, which need to remain stable during the correct execution of the movement. Over the course of 30 days, your cardiovascular system will distribute blood more easily throughout the muscle groups involved in the exercise, promoting improvement in both heart health and oxygenation. In conclusion, why is it great to do 50 push-ups per day? Push-ups are specifically effective for strengthening the muscles around the shoulder joints. The muscles and tendons in the shoulders keep the upper arm bone in place in the shoulder socket. Doing 50 push-ups every day is impressive, but it is also important to note that overloading weak muscles can lead to muscle and tendon injuries. So, take your time, learn the movement, focus on proper execution rather than burning out the muscles, take breaks as necessary, and even start with fewer push-ups per day if you feel your shoulders are sore from the previous day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the content to bring you more information like this. See you next time. Goodbye.